Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 13 mini. In this video I'll show you how to use Siri on lock screen. Firstly go to Settings and enter Siri and search. Now enable Siri and make sure this function is on. Now we can lock the phone and simply say, "Hey Siri, hey Siri, what's the weather like today?"
It's currently cloudy and 12 degrees. Expect partly cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 12 degrees to 9 tonight.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.